This butterfly was at my window today. I had to tell my sneaky link I will call him back, cause I needed to use my camera to catch this National Geographic shit. I've never seen one this up close and personal. I had to get a closer look. I then realized this butterfly is stuck, and here I am so close and cannot help. What is a bish to do? Should I call maintenance? What if she dies here? I would be heartbroken cause I'm a sensitive bug. But after a few more tugs, she got loose. Give it up for sis. Yes. Hold on, Lil Bish, you didn't even say goodbye. You got my lashes all wet. Then I heard a tiny voice say Bish. Who you calling a Bish? It was then I knew she was from the streets like me cause she started trying to break into my window. I then said, Bish, you get on the other side of this glass, and I'm gonna knock some gratefulness into that ass. It's finna be one less butterfly on the ghetto streets of Baltimore.